Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be explaining the build process for a project. Building a project involves turning the source code into an executable form that can be run on a computer or deployed to a server. The build process can be complex and involves several steps, but I'll try to explain it in a simple and clear way. Let's get started. Step 1. Compiling. The first step in the build process is compiling the source code. This involves translating the human-readable code into machine code that the computer can understand. This is typically done using a compiler, which takes the source code files as input and outputs object files. Object files are intermediate files that contain machine code for each source code file. Step 2. Linking. The next step is linking the object files together into a single executable or library file. This is typically done by a linker, which takes the object files as input and outputs an executable or library file. During the linking process, the linker resolves references between the object files and combines them into a single binary file. Step 3. Testing. Once the executable or library file has been created, the next step is to test it to ensure that it works correctly. This typically involves running a suite of tests to exercise the functionality of the code and check for bugs. Testing is an important part of the build process and helps ensure that the code is of high quality and works as expected. Step 4. Packaging and deployment. After the code has been tested and validated, the next step is to package it for distribution and deployment. This can involve creating installation packages, containerizing the application, or uploading it to a server. The packaging and deployment step is important because it makes the application available to end users and enables it to be used in production environments. Conclusion. That's a brief overview of the build process for a project. The build process is a critical part of software development and involves several steps, including compiling, linking, testing, and packaging. Understanding the build process is important for developers because it helps ensure that the code they write is of high quality and can be deployed to production environments with confidence. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Thanks for watching.